Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Somebody is behind this. By not having the real authorities in the picture, then we expect the election commission that they will take action. Because this is not the way to just come and ask for licenses at that point of the time of signboards. Does it happen anytime? Does it happen in any business for that matter? Asking for, I could understand you had come to search something here. And then you go down what was kept to be stored, you destroy that, destroy it down. And we have got enough evidence about it. But the question is, why this sort of harassment to the Trinamool Congress? We will work to promise the people of Goa a genuine solace for the present miseries and sufferings that the state has had, which is running an illegal, immoral government which ran by buying power from the Congress and putting the people of Goa into miseries and sufferings. The youth of Goa are suffering for a job. Why? Because the so-called two political parties combined and share powers. You take my MLAs, I sell them to you, you run, earn money there, give it to us.
मगून केलो 11वो उमेदवार जाहीर. आनंद प्रभुदेसाय निवडणूक लढयतलो कुडचडेच्यान MGP टिकेटीचेर.